Okay. 91, matching. This is not just. Alright, so here are our choices, A, B, C, or D, and here's the graph. It looks like it moved to the left 2, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. So left 2, and down 4.
C.
Everybody okay with C?
Yeah. C. C, senor.
Alright, it looks like G, or G2 I guess this is, moved right 2 and down 4. Right 2, down 4, right? A.
Hey, it spells cab.
And G3 moved right 2 and up 4.
B.
B.
Cab.
These are pretty easy, aren't they? You know your translations, and I stressed them all year, so. That's 8, 9, 10. That's 12 questions on translation so far. Alright, 92. They want us to find f of x plus 2, and they give us f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 2. Find that, and they give us f of x equals that. What do we do?
Fill in for every x, x plus 2.
For every x is
That's right. Right? Okay. So it's going to be x plus 2 squared minus 7 times x plus 2, and then plus 2. So I replace all the x's with x plus 2.
Yay.
So now we got to FOIL this out. X plus 2 times x plus 2, right? It's going to work out to be x squared plus 4x plus 4. Distribute the 7. Minus 7x minus 14 plus 2. And then combine some like terms.
Square.
So it'll be x squared
Minus 3.
minus 3x
Minus 8.
minus 8.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so f of x plus 2 is equal to that.
Where'd you get 4x?
Where'd you get 4x?
2x plus 2x. You just do
2x plus 2x. It's x plus 2 times x plus 2. You got to FOIL.
Oh,
Don't make that mistake. We should be way past that by now. Alright, 93. Everybody okay?
Yeah, so far.
We're doing good. We're doing well,
I've done well. Yes.
says my English teacher. X squared minus 3x is equal to 7. Alright, we need to set this equal to 0, right? So, well actually it says by using the quadratic formula. Alright, so it'll be x squared minus 3x minus 7 equals 0, right? Quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. My a value is equal to what? 1, b, negative 3, c, negative 7. So we know x then will be equal to the opposite of negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 7 all over 2 times 1. So that's going to give me 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 28.
28.
What? 4 times 7 is 28. All over 2. So that's equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 37 over 2. In 37, we cannot simplify. So there's your answer.
That was a non-calculator one, right?
Yeah, we've been doing non-calculator all day.
Alright.
All right, 94. List possible rational roots. Y equals 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus kx minus 6. So we just need the factors of 6 over the factors of 3. So that's plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6, all over 1, plus or minus 3. So that's plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. And plus or minus 1/3, plus or minus 2/3. 3 over 3 we already have, that's 1. And 6 over 3 we got, that's 2. So there they are.
Answers.
Questions? Eric, you have a question? Oh. All right, 95. Given that x minus 3 is a factor of that cubic ratchet, what are the other factors? So what do we got to do?
Synthetic division.
Do synthetic division. What goes in the box?
Plus 3.
3, 1, 1, negative 17, and 15. What should I get here when we're done?
0.
You better get 0 if you did it wrong, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so 1, 3, 4, 12, negative 5, negative 15, 0. I know I did it right. I'm left over this quadratic. X squared plus 4x minus 5. So we can factor that, bless you, a times c is negative 5. Two numbers will be 5 and negative 1. So it'll be x plus 5 and x minus 1. And what are the other factors? These would be the other factors. Questions on 95? Okay.